Welcome to Alfred, our all-in-one threat detection and email validation service trusted by the world's most respected brands. Let's get started learning about Alfred. In this session, you will learn how to log in, identify how many credits you have, how to upload a list, and start the hygiene process. Before we start, make sure you are on www.alfred.email on your favorite web browser. To begin, click the Login button. Type in your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it here by clicking on Forgot Your Password. When finished, click Sign In. Once you have logged in, you will see your dashboard. As a new user, you will not have any recent activity. But don't worry, once you see how Alfred can help you crank up your ROI, it will fill up fast. If you look to the top right corner of your screen, you will see your available credits. When you need to buy more credits, simply click on the number and you will be taken to a new screen. Here again, you will see your available credits, and underneath is a Buy Credits button. Just to the right of that, you will see an Add Credit Card button. If you would like to have your credit card saved for ease of buying, you can do so by clicking the Add Credit Card button. Once you do, a pop-up will appear where you can enter your credit card information. When you are done, click Submit. You can also enter your credit card information later at the checkout, but it will not be saved. When you are ready to buy more credits, click on the Buy Credits button. A pop-up will appear. Here you can select the quantity pack you wish to buy, or if you would like to specify exactly how many credits you want to purchase, you can do this under Exact Amount. Type a number in the box and you will see a price on the right. If you happen to have a discount code, you can enter it here also. Once you have chosen your amount of credits, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. From here, you will see your order. If you have already submitted your credit card, then it will be pre-filled for you. If you have not, you need to enter it now. Once you check everything and you are ready to continue, click Submit. Your new credits will be added to your account. If you look in the menu bar on the left, you will see a link for Dashboard. Click the link and we will be back to our main dashboard. We added a new feature that allows you to check one email at a time. If you look on the right side of your screen, you will see a section called Email Check. Under the Enter Email box, you have three options. You can check it for deliverability, threats, or all. We suggest using the All feature as it is the most comprehensive. If you would like to check a single email address, simply type it into the box and click Check. The section will drop down and give you all the information you need about that particular email address. In the next video, we will cover the meaning behind Alfred's findings. Okay, let's get started uploading your first list. To begin, in the List Evaluation section on the page, click on Upload List button. A pop-up for Upload List should appear. You will have two ways to upload your file. You can either drag it onto the gray box, or you can click on the gray box and attach it through your Finder. Please make sure the file that you upload is in a CSV format. Also, note that all email addresses must be in one column. Once you have uploaded your list, you will see the title of the file in the gray box. Then click Submit. After you click Submit, you will be taken to the next page, which is your dashboard. In the top right, you will see a message that should say Success. File upload has successfully completed. At the same time your file is being uploaded, Alfred will evaluate your list to see if it needs to be hygiene before you use it. Depending on the size, this can take seconds to minutes. Under the Status section, it will say Evaluating. Once it is done, the status will change to Evaluation Completed, and Alfred will give you its recommendation on whether or not you need to hygiene your list. If Alfred recommends to hygiene your list, simply click on the Hygiene List button. The next pop-up will ask you if you are sure you want to hygiene the list, and it lets you know how many credits it will take. If you agree, click Confirm. If you change your mind or want to do it later, click Cancel. Once you click Confirm, the next pop-up will give you instructions. Alfred is busy at work and will email you when finished. Click on Go to Dashboard while you are waiting. The more email addresses you have, the longer it will take. Check out our next video on what to do with the results.